Hey guys, so today I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to document it pretty well so that you can see how easy it is. I guess we'll see how easy it is to upgrade the RAM in a MacBook Pro. I have a 2010 MacBook Pro 17-inch, and right now it's running really slow. So I went to the utilities and looked at the amount of free space. I have two slots with 2 gigabytes of memory, and it's almost being all used, like 3.27 that is being used, and I have 4 that's available. So obviously I'm running out. So I'm gonna go ahead and document this real well and see what happens. Is it gonna help? Is it gonna speed up my computer? Hope so. I'm also going to add a solid state drive to it, and that's later though. I want to see how well this helps enhance it. I am going to go ahead and start up my computer and just see how long it takes to start up. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, start, and go ahead and push that. It's turning on. So it took 2 minutes and 14 seconds. All right, guys, now we're going to go ahead and time it and see where we're at now. Last was 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Let's see how we do. Start here. That's starting up. Now, I don't expect it to actually be super dramatic because I do need to put a solid state hard drive in, but let's just see what it does when I double the memory. All right, guys, we shaved about 30 seconds off that. So not much of a huge difference. Like I said, I'm gonna have to get a solid state drive, but I'm sure it's gonna help in other ways. And so we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next aspect, which is buy a crucial hard drive, 500 gigabyte solid state drive.